Good afternoon, Madam President, school board, and colleagues. My name is Rob Perez, and I'll be presenting Bridging Technology in School Finance, utilizing dashboards to manage school sites. Now, what is a dashboard? Well, a dashboard is a interface that projects or provides a snapshot of key financial metrics and other metrics related to a budget, a business unit, or in this case, a school site. Now, the origin of dashboard really comes from an automobile dashboard, where a driver can quickly monitor the major functions of their car at a quick glance. Now, there's all type of dashboards that exist in public and private sector, but they all have four key elements to a successful dashboard. First, they need to be simple. Second, they need to provide meaningful and useful data. Third, they need to provide a visual presentation of that data. And fourth, they need to be aesthetically appealing. They need to really be easy to understand and view. The objective of my field project is to create a user-friendly dashboard for school site administrators so they can better manage their school sites effectively. And why do we need a dashboard? We need a dashboard for administrators so they can easily see timely budget data, financial metrics, staffing information, and CBES enrollment data so they can, all in one location. At present, all this information is located in individual spreadsheets, databases, and applications. For example, Aries contains our student information data, and Oracle contains our financial, purchasing, and human resources data. Although administrators may have access to that data, it's very difficult to extract, analyze, and interpret that data. Our administrators are very busy, and if a dashboard can put the necessary data at their fingertips, it'll free them up to make quick and educated decisions and allow them to devote more free time to their school site, their staff management, as well as educating our students. My goal is to create a financial dashboard that will integrate all this information in one location. Does anybody need water?
Sure. No one. Go right ahead.
Sorry. To place all this information in one location. For example, administrators will be able to access timely budget data and be able to make a quick and decision on purchases as well as how to fund that purchase. The dashboard will also provide CBES enrollment data that will be linked to the school site staffing allocation plans. They'll be able to not only see how many third grade teachers they have, but the fiscal impact of those third grade teachers. The intent of creating a successful dashboard is not only to provide them information, but having a dashboard that administrators will
1 minute.
be able to access on such a frequent basis that becomes part of the culture of site administration. As part of the dashboard content, I'm creating an advisory committee consisting of business services professionals, administrators, as well as business services professionals. And the key concept of this committee is to make sure that the data provided in the dashboard is useful data versus just interesting data. And useful data is data that's integral to the responsibilities of the administrator, whereas interesting data is just that, it's interesting, but it's not integral to the role of the administrator. Not only will the committee provide the content, but it's also going to provide an insight on what technology is required
Okay. Michael?
Clearly